We will get to know whether it's a fake customer or a paid customers. Let us hear a voice from him itself. We all know a Bentley fire test video gone viral worldwide. So